Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Amazing Facts and Educating Video channel. So friends, here we go. Opposition. This refers to elect representatives who are not members of the ruling party and who play the role of questioning government decision and action as well as raise new issue for consideration in the assembly. Fifth, coalition government. At the times, the ruling party may not be a single party, but a group of parties work together. This is called a coalition. Question number 5. What are the different functions performed by a chief minister of a state? The different function performed by a chief minister of a state is as follows. First, the chief minister is a leader of the legislative assembly of the state. The chief minister and other ministers have responsibility of running various government departments or ministers. They have separate offices. 2. He selects the minister in the council of ministers. As the head of the council, he allocates the portfolios of departments to them. 3. The chief minister is the main link between the governor and the state cabinet. Generally, the governor exercises all his function on the advice of the chief minister. Fourth, it is his duty to communicate the governor all decision of the council ministers. 5. As the chief spokesman of the state government, all important announcement of behalf of government is made by him. Question number 6. Who is the governor? How are they elected? The governor is the head of the state. He or she is appointed by the central government to ensure that the state government works within the rule and regulation of the constitutions. Question number 7. What are the different powers and function of a government? Answer. The different power and function of the government is as follows. First, the governor is the constitutional head of the state. He is appointed by the president of the country. He is appointed the chief minister and other members of the council of ministers. Every bill has to be approved by the governor. He has the right to dissolve the state legislature. Question number 8. What is a legislative assembly? Answer. A legislative assembly is a place where all the MLAs, whether from the ruling party or from the opposition, meet to discuss various things. Second, hence some MLAs has dual responsibilities on one as an MLA and the other as an minister. Now moving to fifth slide. Question number 9. What are the powers and function of the Legislative Assembly? Answer. The power and function of the Legislative Assembly are as follows. A Legislative Assembly is a place where all MLAs, whether from the ruling party and from the opposition, meet to discuss various things. Hence, some MLAs has dual responsibilities, one as an MLA and the other as a minister. Second, a proposal to pass a law or the amend as extending one is called a bill. Bill is introduced in legislative assembly. introduced in Legislative Assembly. 3. These proposals are debated or discussed among the members of the assembly before voting. 4. Once the bill is approved with majority vote, it is sent to other house where it goes through same pro- procedure. 5. Therefore, the bill goes the governor for his approval. Once approved, the bill become a law. Question number 10. Question number 10 is the last question of this chapter. So here we go. Question number 10. What do you understand by the term press conference? What role did it play in the democracy? First, a gathering or journalists from the media who are invited to hear about and ask questions on a particular issue and are then expected to report on this to the large public is known as press conference. 2. It is a conference where media representatives are invited and given details of action, policies and view for of the government and any specific aspect. 3. The media person are allowed to interact question on the issue and report it in media for information of the public. So friends, this much only in this chapter question answer. You think it is a good video, so please like and subscribe my channel Amazing Fact and Education Video channel. So friends, we will meet in our next video. So bye friends.